Okay, so here's our adventure. This is Christel. This is my neighbor, my fellow Aquarian sister. And it would take just two crazy Aquarians to do something like this. So, yeah, we are venturing out to the top of that street. That's our goal. This is, we're gonna make it. This is our exercise. You want to race? Oh, she's down, ladies and gentlemen. She's down. She's down. Here we go. And look, we done made our mark in the snow. Okay.
She's down.
I'm down. And I don't know if I can get up. Oh, God, Jesus. Oh. Thank you. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. We gotta take a break. Woo! Okay. I can't breathe. Oh.
We ain't as young as we used to be.
Say that again. This is crazy. Oh, let me see how many steps we took. We're gonna make it. Okay. I'll put my glove back on. Okay. 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 Woo! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, she's down. How are we gonna get back? I wish I had bought that sled. When I thought about buying a sled. Daggone it. Christel. I know, right? Yeah, because we sure did. Get a cardboard box and we can slide right down the hill.
Slide down the hill, come straight on down the hill.
Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen.
We're trying.
We're almost there.
This is a ritual that we do every snow.
See, there's the top of the fire hydrant. We're almost there, Christel. We're almost there. We're doing it, ladies and gentlemen. We're doing it.
We're doing it.
Woo!
Knee deep.
Knee deep. Look at this. Look at it.
Well, actually, we probably waited knee deep because my feet ain't even on the ground.
I know. Mine aren't either. But we doing it. This is some good exercise. Okay, Christel. Okay, Christel. Wait a minute. We're almost there. Come on, girl. We getting there. We getting there. We're almost there. Dun, 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 dun. We did it. We did it. Okay, that's good enough. Woo! Woo! Girl. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. Birthday girl signing off.
Signing off.
Peace. All right.